Hello and welcome to the Clean Truck Check tester list instructional video. In the video here, we will show you how to operate the public tester list that is now on the cleantruckcheck.arb.ca.gov website. So when we get here on this page, this is the page prior to login. This button is also available once you log into your account, but look for the tester list button. Go ahead and click on that list. And for demonstration purposes, yes, this is a very small list. The actual public for hire list will be very large and have more testers listed on it with their information. And the purpose of the video here is just to show you how to go through, sort and filter so that we can narrow down the testers that are appropriate for you. So you'll notice that first and foremost, this is a list of credential testers that have an active Clean Truck Check credential. However, it's not an endorsement by CARB for any particular testers. The testers do report this information themselves, and they can update it at any time. So therefore, there may be some inaccuracies. They may have accidentally clicked that they can offer a service that they can't, and they haven't updated it yet. So again, when you contact a tester, you'll still need to confirm that they can test your vehicle with what you need in order to pass your emissions testing requirements. So main information is here. However, like every other table in CTC-VIS, you'll notice that there's a settings wheel on the far right. Clicking on this wheel will show you additional filters and columns that you can set up in this table. So we have mobile services offered and motorhome testing capability. We're going to turn both those on, and I'll explain them to you as you go. You'll see that the table has gotten a bit narrower, all of the columns, because it only fits within the box. But if you hover over a certain field, it will tell you the full title. So this is the mobile services offered section. Mobile services just means that the tester can come to you to perform the testing. You don't necessarily have to go to their place of business. Motorhome testing capability was also added so that we can help motorhome owners identify testers that have enough space at their place of business to fit a motorhome. So again, if the tester has chosen to display that they are a yes for motorhome testing, it means that they should be able to fit your vehicle at their place of business. This may or may not be true depending on the size of your vehicle and the size of the lot and a few things. But again, it's something helpful that we try to put in for everyone. And there's OBD testing capabilities, obviously, and then non-OBD testing capabilities. There's another request to put in there. So testers hopefully have their information as accurate as possible at all times. So with every other table in CTC-VIS, this functions like an Excel table. If you click on a column, it'll sort it alphabetically, and you'll see the arrow go up. If you double click, it will sort alphabetically or numerically down. So you can flip-flop there. This funnel is your filter. Now, something important to note is most people are going to search by zip code. They may search by city name as well. But here, if I were to type the short zip code and hit filter, you'll notice that it doesn't display anything. And that's because the actual information here includes the last 4 digits and the hyphen. So the system is very particular. Again, it's a computer. It looks at exactly what you search for. So what you can do is change this filter to something that says contains. And that just means that it contains what you're looking for and typing in it for it to search for. So if I do that, it will now display the tester, and it's not so worried about the particular last 4 digits and that hyphen. You'll know that a filter is on because it turns brown. And that is how you know that there's currently a filter on. If you made a mistake and turned the filter on, you can hit clear, and it'll go back to that clear filter. If you hit this clear filter button in the far left, it will go back to the default filter. So you'll notice that mobile services and motorhome will disappear when I do that. And so now that we have cleared the filter for the zip code, this covers almost everything you need to know. Again, just go back to the gears section here, and you can add city and state if you want to search by city and state. Street address gets a little more particular, but most filters that you would use would be this setup here. So name, business name, city, state, zip, phone, email, mobile, motorhome, OBD, non-OBD. So with that, this concludes the video. If you have any additional questions, you may email us at hdim@arb.ca.gov. Thank you.